Good morning to one and all. So, in the today's session from Mechanical Measurements Metrology Lab, we are conducting measurements using Toolmakers Microscope. So, first of all, we'll discuss about why we are going to Toolmakers Microscope. So there are different methods to measure thread terminology, like 2 wire and 3 wire methods. But apart from that, tool makers, why the reason why we are going for tool makers microscope only, because tool makers microscope which will help to measure very small threads, which is not possible with all other things. Okay, so tool makers microscope, you all can see here, this is the eyepiece which can be adjusted, that is of 15x, and with the help of that, with the help of this knob, you all can see we can adjust the focus on the screw thread. And this is a screw we are is the component whose threads we are going to measure, which is placed on the table. And this table movement, you all can see here, we can move this table vertically with the help of this micrometer, and horizontally we can move with this micrometer. And how much distance the table has traveled or slided vertically, that we can see in this micrometer. And for horizontal movement, we can see the measurement on this micrometer. Okay, and you all can adjust the thread angles with the help of this knob. You all can see this wheel which I have touched with my thumb. With the help of that, we can rotate it and we can see the thread angles. Okay, and one more important thing is, this is switch on off. Here is the switch on off where my finger is on that, and this is the knob which is used for setting the intensity of the light or controlling the light. Okay, and I will be showing you. First of all, we have to find the pitch here. Okay, pitch, how we are going to find pitch? For plus, first of all will be the plus point. Okay, this is the plus point I have shown here, and this plus point, on that, with the help of this focusing eyepiece, you have to adjust it, and you have to keep it plus point on this first point and second point, first thread and second thread. So the distance between this first thread and second thread will be initial and final. Okay, so that you will get pitch. Okay, next we'll go for major diameter and minor diameter. So how you will find major diameter here? First of all, this you all can see outside whatever the threads from the top or at the bottom, that is nothing but a major diameter, and inside is whatever your covering is minor diameter. So major diameter, for major diameter you can take first point here and second point here. So the difference between this second point and first point will be your major diameter. And for minor diameter, for if you take first point this and second point this, so the difference between second point and first point will be a minor diameter. And thread angle, for measuring thread angle, you will be seeing these are our threads. Okay, so by keeping at this thread and weaving at this angle theta, that is nothing but you are getting one angle. You will get a thread angle. And one more thing you all can see here, this is also keeping on this, and parallelly if you are going to rotate that with the help of this knob, if you rotate this and if you view at this position, you will find one theta angle. So this is the thread angle. And you all can see the tabular here in the journal. In the blue book, in the journal, you all can see the tabular. For pitch, you are going to find initial reading and final reading, and difference of the initial final minus initial, you will get this. Okay, in such a way you have to take repeatedly 3 readings, and average of 3 readings you will be getting some value, that is nothing but the pitch. Okay, in mm. And next you are going to deal with major diameter. For similar things you are going to repeat here also: initial reading, final reading, and difference of the final and final minus and same three readings you are going to repeat. Average of that you will get some reading, that is in mm. And next, minor diameter. Minor diameter also, initial you are going to take one reading, final one reading, and difference of both you will get some value. Similar things for three repeated readings you have to take. Average of 3 you will get some value. Okay, average of 3 you will get some value. That is nothing but your minor diameter in mm. And lastly you are going to deal with thread angle. That is, third angles also you are going to take three repeated readings, and you are going to take initial and final, and you will get some difference, that is the value, and average of all three you will get one angle 51.6 example. Okay, thank you for the today's session. If you have any doubts you can discuss with me.